This home, designed as a heartfelt gift from the owner to his wife, is a blend of luxury, technology, and functionality. It's a space where design engages all five senses, with each detail meticulously crafted. The home is powered by a Google Smart Home system, which controls everything from lighting to appliances, creating an intuitive and almost living space. Sonos speakers are strategically placed throughout the house for an immersive audio experience, and universal power sockets cater to the family's international lifestyle. Hi, my name is Lance Lim. I'm a designer of luxury hospitality interiors, tech enthusiast, music lover, and also a realtor with Orange Tea AAG division. This is my wife Rachel and my son Evan J, for whom I've designed this winter-themed sanctuary as a gift for us to celebrate beautiful memories together. Every inch of this home reflects my design philosophy of creating timeless, elegant spaces that offer unparalleled comfort and the sense of place. Inspired by the couple's favorite season, winter, the home features a cool, elegant aesthetic. Materials like alabaster oak, brushed stainless steel, snow white quartz, and glass create a sleek yet inviting atmosphere. These choices reflect the couple's shared love for December, the month they first met, and set a timeless backdrop for the family's future memories. From the moment you step in, the home's design sets a sophisticated tone. The entrance features an alabaster oak main door and concealed intercom system. Upon entering, the home automatically adjusts the lighting and plays soothing music to welcome you. Thoughtful details like a home sweet home sign and sleek key holders add a personal touch. The living and dining area is the heart of the home, designed to be flexible and multifunctional. It transforms effortlessly to suit various needs, from relaxing to dining to hosting flower workshops. The space is well lit during the day by large windows and two silent black designer fans. At night, it transforms into a cozy, inviting lantern-like space. A custom-designed feature wall with full-height millwork showcases a mounted flat-screen TV and an artwork display, both framed in solid natural oak. A hidden projector screen can be deployed for a home theater experience. On the opposite side, a concealed display storage unit doubles up as a coat and shoe storage near the entrance. A bookshelf by OPSH and built-in dehumidifiers keep books and clothes fresh. A standout feature of the living dining area is the flower bar, designed for the wife's floral business. Custom stainless steel top-hung shelving creates a floating display for flowers and artwork. A built-in flower fridge and snow white quartz counters provide ample space for creative endeavors. The kitchen, separated by a full-height glass entrance, is equipped with Bloom hardware and Bosch appliances. It's a functional space with ample storage, including a large fridge, a full-height larder, and cooking area with a 90-inch Bosch cooker hood. The yard provides additional laundry space with elegant wall lighting for evening tasks. The transition from public to private spaces is marked by a long corridor designed like an intimate art gallery. The common bathroom, without an inward swinging door, maximizes usable space. It features wet and dry areas, a glass enclosed shower, and thoughtful details like a custom twin bathroom paper roll holder. The common bedroom was designed to evolve with their son, offering ample space for a king-size bed, play area, and study space. Originally 3 smaller bedrooms, the space was reconfigured to create a larger common bedroom and an adjoining walk-in wardrobe for the master bedroom. The master bathroom mirrors the aesthetic of the common bathroom, with added features like his and hers heated towel racks and a rain shower. The walk-in wardrobe is a luxurious space with custom OPSH hardware and dehumidifiers, leading into the serene master bedroom. The master bedroom is a serene retreat, designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. Automated curtains and lighting controlled by the Google Smart Home system create the perfect environment for sleep and waking up. The room features a super king-size bed, pastel pendant lights, and 4 Sonos speakers for surround sound. Thank you for your company as we explored this unit that's so close to my heart. As of now, the unit has already been sold at a record price by myself. If you're keen to find out more about how I can do the same for you, please feel free to reach out to me at my contact below. See you soon in my next video.